This is the Comsub Submarine. I'm going to give you a brief overview of what the submarine looks like. It has hydraulic thrusters, front and rear, vertical and horizontal. You can also see the thrusters at the rear and the main thruster and rudder assembly, which is controlled with a hydraulic steering ram from a wheel inside the cabin. The battery pods are mounted to the underneath of the submarine and they are accessible by removing the steel clamps holding the end caps on. The batteries then slide out. Main and reserve oxygen cylinders are viewable through the side. It has 4 front viewing portholes with 2 lights. The conning tower also has forward and side facing portholes. And a rear facing porthole as well. The hatch can be opened from the outside using the tools stored behind the conning tower. Once the hatch is unlocked, we can lift it up and climb inside. As we climb down into the submarine, this is the view facing aft, the pilot's seat, which also houses the reserve soda lime supply. You can also see the battery isolator switches, current meters, voltmeters, and other electronics. Fuses you can see on the right. This is the steering wheel to control the rudder. There are also other instruments, your oxygen control valves and regulators, pressure gauges to check your oxygen cylinder pressure levels. We're now facing forwards in the pilot's seat position. You can see the forward viewing portholes, the depth meter, ballast and high pressure air control valves, barometer for internal pressure, another external pressure gauge, ballast control valves, and more high pressure air control valves. Also the motor control for the variable ballast tank. Over here you can see your emergency breathing supply regulator. So there's one located here and one located forward for the passenger. As we move into the forward viewing position, we can see the controls for external lights and ventilator fans, fire extinguisher, and there is a wired remote control box for all of the thrusters, so that can be operated either from the forward position or from the pilot's seat. The carbon dioxide scrubbers are located above the forward seating position. Reserve supplies of soda lime are also on board. The visibility from the forward position is very good. You can choose to sit or lie down, and it's quite comfortable. So here ends the tour. If you have any more questions, don't hesitate to get in touch. Thanks very much.